Hi, and welcome to Axelent in Hillerstorp. My name is Lisa, and today we're going to talk about impact protections. All these products conceal and isolate the fixings. The fixings are hidden within the products and are isolated with rubber and plastic dampers. The external polymer parts flex and absorb impacts. These combined attributes mean the floor is protected from undamped impacts that can rip out fixings and break concrete in steel barriers. Another benefit is the barriers themselves, which stays in a good physical and aesthetic condition for longer. When you think about installing these products, it's important to think about what type of impacts are likely to occur. There is no point of having only a handrail where a large forklift truck might be operating. Also, the overall cost savings when maintenance and floor repairs are factored in. You need to do routine inspection and post-impact inspection to see if any parts need replacing. This is a column guard. It's very easy to install, and depending on the size of the column, it can be adjusted from 8 to 12 inches. This is a pedestrian barrier. It has an energy-absorbing design and can take a hard hit and still stand strong. And as you can see, it flexes back to its original performance. This is a flex core bollard. It has a rotating cover and no exposed bolts. And with stress relief dampers, it saves the concrete floor when a collision emerges. This is a crash barrier with a tough shock-absorbing barrier. It sits flush to the floor and has highly visible end caps. So, I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you need more information or if you need help with installation, please contact your local sales department.